that enough, or do we need to hack some more on that? I think we're good. There. Honey, stay in front. I think I have a little crackage.
Yeah. I'm not filming that.
They can blur that out. Another positive on these is I have up to 13 different sizes available, but all the parts are interchangeable. So shipping wise, freight wise, everything else, for this size you'd have the 4 corners and the two-piece, you know, one piece screws. And if you have a freight full of them and you have 8 different grates on a thing, you got all the parts, you can just put them together. So from the freight wise, install wise, everything else, it makes it easier. Now we put the bag on.